Mic check, mic check. We are headed up to Horsetooth Reservoir. We're gonna get some beautiful shots up there. I got the brand new GoPro 7 Black. We're gonna film in 1080 60p hyper smooth, and let's see how it comes out. We'll compare it to my old GoPro Hero 3 Plus, and then I have an even older GoPro 2 Hero. So we'll see how the brand new 7 Black compares to those two. All right, speed limit 45. Let's get it up there. You can see the cars going up there on top of the dam. That's where we're headed. We'll get a beautiful shot looking back down this way. So I'm topping out at 39 right now. Oh yeah, dual motor engaged. I'm at 32 miles an hour, full throttle on a steep hill. On your left. Oh, I'm full throttle, dual motor. We are pushing the Dualtron 3 to its max. It's a pretty good incline. 27. Haha, yeah. I love it. All right. I'm already up. I'm up to 35 already. So that really steep incline, you know, it's pulling 30 miles an hour. We get up to here. It easily gets up to 35. I'm gonna go back to single mode. I'm just gonna ride it. I mean, look at this, this is beautiful. Back to dual. I got no power. All right, single mode. Dual mode. 24 and I still got throttle. 27, I still have throttle. Speed limit's 35. See if I can get there. I'm up to 30 miles an hour. 32 miles an hour and pulling. Hell yeah. Come on, Dualtron. 34. Come on. There's a view for you. All right, 36. Woo. Oh yeah. 39, 40, 41. So we use 16% power getting here, pretty much full throttle the whole way. I'm letting these cars get a little bit ahead. So we're taking it pretty slow down this hill. Alright, that was a little sketchy. Putting those brakes to the test there too. What the fuck? Dude, that dude just about wrecked. He was staring at me. I've ridden enough. I've seen it.